black gesso, that's all dry. And then I've just applied some liquid clear oil paint on top, so it's all wet on there. Phthalo blue. And a nice even coat. Right, we're going to go with some phthalo green now, same brush. And we're going to go around here with this phthalo green and just drop it in here. So we've got phthalo blue and phthalo there, and then just lightly go over this like this. We'll start with a little fan brush and we're just going to go into some titanium white. Okay, so I'm going to use the fan brush and do just like a little outline. So we're going to go somewhere around here. And then we're going to come down and around like this. And down. Being very careful. Here we go, just a little blend. I'm just going to slightly just touch, just a little bit around here. So come along here, just lift up a few little places. I'm going to go around here, just tap in here and down here, around that area there. All I want is a little bit of colour there, a bit here. Just using that greenish colour that's there already underneath. And I'll pull this colour through. So you can actually put quite a bit of colour here. Something like that. Well, we should get some greens there now. Yeah, that's that nice greenish sort of colour, which is nice. Just a couple of bits maybe here. So this one will be for, well, it is for sale. You can buy it right now if you trust the process that much. Yeah, we're going to come down to about here. Just put a bit of white and stuff there. Go around here as well. That liquid white, like I said, so it's quite good for moving about. Something like that. Make this how this comes out. Just pull that colour through. Sort of patterns and stuff like this. Plenty of liquid white on here. I'm getting the feel for this here, and then that gives the shape of these things here, and I can go over it with some white again to outline it. So this bit takes a little bit of building up, but it's going to look kind of cool at the end. Just give it a little wiggle, and we can come back through here and just add all these little things there. Something like that. Again, we'll just add some little things there. Things to add on this yet, but this, what I'm doing now, I'll probably come back and do again, you see. Just some little things there. Just get a nice sort of flow on this. Like that, and down here we'll have a little bit coming out there, like this, join Okay, yeah, we're going to pull that colour through. Pull up here. Okay. Come back and just add these little things here. So very, 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 very light pull up on them now. Just keeping some of that white remaining. See-through and white is the actual idea here. Just have that going off down there. Like that. We'll do a little back one there. Just wherever your script brush. A little point there. Go all the way through like that. Just picking up all them beautiful colours. That one goes around the back. That one there. We'll take one right from there in a minute, but we'll go somewhere here. Just showing I'll just bring this right back, then you'll have to see. There you go. I'll just put that one there so you can see both of them. So the left hand one and then the right hand one. So the right hand one I did live obviously, and the left one I did earlier. Beauty of the sea. So this one's going to be 514B and the other one I'm going to call 514A. There we go, a jellyfish.